Morning. Grand Theft Auto Online pisses me off. Pisses me off.
Good morning.
Look at him being stupid on the stove. She's being a good girl eating a breakfast. Yay!
Go eat the PC store.
Where are you going? Why are you leaving? Come back. She's like, now I need my water.
Good names in front of it.
The stunt races in Grand Theft Auto make no sense. Like, at all. They suck. I hate them. They make me mad. Make me angry.
You're a vlogger today? Holy shit.
Very, very angry. They make me want to punch children. Oh no, YouTube terms of service? Violence?
Every video.
Oh. Every video, every person, every content creator.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, hello there. I have a cameraman now.
Yeah.
I'm currently putting mustard on my salami and cheese sandwich, specially made.
That's hot.
And, so sorry I haven't vlogged. I was filming my birds, so I filmed like a bunch of stuff, so hopefully one of the things can be a video, because I haven't posted on my channel in like a month.
Yeah.
And then I've done in total 3 loads of laundry. I washed dishes.
Dishes.
Grocery helping.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been very, very busy.
I got a sandwich too. I might go for a Pokemon walk later. Depending on how she feels. Because she's really exhausted.
I exhausted myself.
But I know she wants to do something. Because I could see it in her face. She's getting mad at just doing stuff in this house. Like, she's been working all day. And she didn't even want to get dinner. And so I did the sandwich for her. Because she's sitting there. And she's editing. And I was like, you
yeah, it's not that bad. I edit too.
I fell asleep. I slept through 2 alarms. It happens. I was tired. I only slept a couple hours last night. So.
Yeah, and then you're like, oh, why are you going to bed? Stay up with me.
Stay up with me. I can't help that I work third shift.
Are you okay?
No.
Why'd you shut up?
Guys. It's okay. I'm eating the salamis. You can't have it. Along with some other stuff. It's really spicy. Hi, cross paws. You're beautiful. Work, work, work. Work, 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 work. We gotta do work, work, work. Go, work, work, work.
What is going on?
I'm trying to get her out of the room. Work, work, come on. Work.
I thought we were going somewhere.
Yeah, we are. Work.
We're gonna go outside, which is dark out, so there'll be no filming.
Work. Come on. Alright, here we go. No? Alright. Come on, we gotta go. Come on, here we go.
She likes this game.
Alright, hold up. Wait, come on, come on. Come on. Oh, you going? What are you doing? Can we go?
Hey, I'm gonna stop filming and leave.
She's not going out.
Yes, she is. She's just confused because I'm standing here.
I thought it would be a good idea to have some drinks and play Grand Theft Auto 5 and do the, well, at least I'm not alone. Like, I couldn't even finish that race. Yeah, I'm doing the stunt races. It's not fun. It's way better than this morning, though. This morning I was getting pissed. But now that I've had some drinks to me, I don't care anymore, and it's just kind of fun. Kitty cat!
I'm clean!
Kitty on the titty! I'm watching UFC 203, and I made a couple burgers. They smell kind of bad. Like, not like in a bad, like, they're gonna be gross kind of way, just like, I don't know. They're not what I'm used to.
I hate the smell of burgers being fried.